Hi, in this video I present a detailed view about NG tube insertion and its purpose, things should prepare before the NG tube placement. I hope this is very helpful for all the medical students because I include all about NG tube here in my video. First we are going to study what is NG tube or nasogastric tube. Nasogastric tube or Ryle's tube is a plastic tubing device that allows nutritionally complete feed directly into the stomach or removal of the stomach contents. So main purpose is allows nutritionally complete feed directly into the stomach or removal of the stomach contents. It is passed via the nose into the oropharynx and upper GI tract. So next we move to purpose of the nasogastric tube. Main purpose is feeding purpose, causing dysphagia or ventilator cases or coma cases, unconscious patient or GI surgery patient or malnourished patient with the major abdominal surgery and medication delivery, assessment of presence of upper GI bleeding. So for diagnostic purpose, nutritional purpose or surgical purpose and medication delivery, for all these we are using nasogastric tube. And also administration of radiographic contrast. So next is the contraindication. Just now we studied about purpose. Next is the contraindication. At what are all the situations we should not use a nasogastric tube? That is mid-phase trauma, nasal surgery cases or coagulation abnormalities, esophageal varices. So in these cases we should avoid Ryle's tube insertion. Next is complication of NG placement, that is vomiting or gagging, tissue trauma in the nasal, oropharyngeal or upper GI tract or esophageal perforation, incorrect placement leading to respiratory tree, that means lungs, cause aspiration. Next is equipment needed for the placement of Ryle's tube or NG tube. First is NG tube according to the size. Next, a cup of water with straw, tape, surgical gloves, basin, lubricant, stethoscope, 50 cc syringe, pH paper, and also the main thing is stiffness of the tube are easy to insert. So if we put Ryle's tube in refrigerator, help to stiff them. And also position is very important. Give position to the patient. The patient should be sit upright with the neck slightly and chin up, that is high Fowler's position. For head support, pillow or comfort are adequate in the conscious patient. Next is preparation. First assemble equipment and take the patient bedside trolley. Explain the procedure to the patient, indication, complication, and after we have to obtain the consent from the patient. Wash hands and wear gloves. Give position to the patient and select wide nostril for the easy insertion and check for any nasal septal deviation of the patient before insertion and measure the NG tube. How we measure the NG tube? Place the NG tube in a position running from the bridge of the nose to the earlobe and to the siphisternum. Lubricate the 2 to 4 cm tip of the NG tube with lubricant and insert the tube into the patient nose and tell the patient to swallow same like water. So it will help for the easy insertion. Verifying the correct intragastric position through X-ray or pH paper. So if the pH is 5.5 or below, we are able to feed the patient. It is only applicable for infant, children and adult. This advice is not applicable for neonate or preterm before 28 days. But proton pump inhibitors or H2 receptor antagonist may alter the pH, and also milk can neutralize the acid. So in X-ray, the tip of the tube can be seen as a white radio opaque line and should be below the diaphragm on the left side. So next is syringe test, but this is not applicable, and usually we are doing this after tube insertion, but it is not a proper way to detect the correct placement. Check the placement of the tube by using a stethoscope to listen for the wooing sound as a syringe instills a 30 cc air bolus into the patient's stomach. Another method to check the correct placement is open end of the NG tube and put into a cup of water. If bubble is coming means it indicates tube is in correct place, and clean and dry the nose area before applying tape of the placement of tube. Ask patient to talk. So if the tube is in the respiratory tract, he may not able to talk. So these are the methods which are applicable to check the correct placement of nasogastric insertion.